what happens is whenever we are preparing for an exam like it, we have a very, very big constraint about time. We have a limited time on our hand and we have to utilize that time in a really, really good manner. Otherwise, we will not be able to get the best. So we have to optimize the time. And in order to optimize the time, you should not be wasting time in looking for the good problems. Rather, you should be directly going after good problems. So what we do on Unacademy, as Sarthak might have seen, we provide daily practice paper on Unacademy. Now that practice paper contains problems from the very, very basic level to the very advanced level. Now those problems have been selected by us. So they are bound to be good because we know what our student actually needs. But a standard book is never written from the gate point of view. So going after that can definitely enhance your knowledge, but I would recommend that to the people who are still in their second year. They have good 2 years till graduation. So they can boost their knowledge as much as they would like. But a person having 8 to 10 months on his plate till the gate exam should be really, really focused on making each and every day count. So that should be the strategy.